Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is next program. So he's basically that kind of person. Basically, he tracks the root cause. Basically, why basically the World Trade Center basically happened. He's that kind of person. Basically, he basically enters into stories. So we will discuss basically what actually the stories is, how basically it's connecting the federal government, federal created Congress, federal created. It's very dangerous topic. Basically, I am telling you. फेडरल ऑल्सो बेसिकली विल गेट द न्यूज़ बेसिकली अरे कौन है भाई मेरे बारे में बोल रहा है फेडरल कास्ट बेसिकली माइट बी क्रिएटेड फेडरल सम ताजिया currently basically ताजिया is ongoing so ताजिया is also basically might be created current federal ताजिया basically not basically name might not be federal basically might be some Muslim person basically this that Sheikh Sayyid basically this all ताजिया basically so like this basically name might be there basically we basically 100% not sure basically what might be name but concept is this much basically federal Ganpati might be there basically because in Hindu basically it's Ganpati basically Christian basically believes in church basically so federal church basically might be there so this everything basically we have discussed we are not discussing again basically so here one person told that यार मेरे को तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा द पर्सन बेसिकली इन सैटेलाइट बेसिकली he was totally confused with it because he say that basically we only know create city and city basically nothing else basically we know if you want this type of thing basically then please get touch with us that thing only basically we do if you want to finish any city sorry he actually told me basically Sunil basically if you want to finish any city create any city then you can contact with us because we don't understand this everything basically federal rules BJP Congress basically and stories basically that we don't understand basically so next video see